We're going to, where are we going? Hollywood Studios in Disney. We have about an hour ride, 40-minute ride, 50-minute ride, whatever it is.
See what it says. 54 minutes.
54-minute ride. It's very nice. It's breezy. It's actually windy, not breezy. But I don't know what it's going to be like in Orlando. It could be a little less. I mean, it's more inland. We are on the coast and we're on an island, so you're probably getting more sea breeze. I might go on the Tower of Terror if I'm really feeling crazy. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm going to be feeling that crazy. What if I am?
You might go on the roller coaster.
I know roller coasters. We did want to get here before Halloween, but it didn't work out. I'll tell you what.
We did scary movies instead.
We did do scary movies. We did. Michelle went on to some scary movies. She made it through it. But we're going to Hollywood Studios, and we're excited to go to Hollywood Studios. But I look like the type of dude that would wear ears. This big fat dude walking around with ears like, there he is. Big goof, fat goof over there. But I want to wear the traditional ears. Like, I want to wear the ears that you just see. You're like, oh, yeah, black with the red, yeah.
We got a crazy bird following us in Hollywood Studios.
Walking up to the window to get in. There's guards. There's masks. There's shields. They're protecting themselves here. That's Shelly. We just walked in Hollywood Studios. This is it. You're in here. I don't remember it being like this because we came at night.
Oh, look. Antiques and churros.
I'm curious.
Oh my god, curious.
She thought that said churros. It says curios. She's totally out of her mind. She lost it. Oh, let's wait. We'll watch it. It's like a little parade. These look like caves. Look at this. The Star Wars bar. It's pretty wild. Even the trash cans are Star Wars. Yeah, I know.
I don't even know if we'll be able to get on that.
Thank you for your cooperation.
It's kind of cool. I think people just like walk through this maybe.
stuck there forever.
So I'll be a gunner. What are you gonna say you're gonna be?
Pilot? You know, what do I have in that section?
So it's just two guys in there. You can be whatever you want. Pilots, gunners, or engineers. What would you like to be? Be a gunner. Okay.
I'll be a pilot, I guess. Thank you.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yeah? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia.
For your safety, remain seated and
you.
supervise young ladies.
Please sit down and buckle up.
You're the pilot, right?
Once you buckle up, please pull on the yellow safety straps down by your side.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
What do we do?
I don't know. I think we're just going in for the thing now.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off.
You.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot. Hit the boosters.
It's you.
Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Shoot at it. Shoot.
You've not come to us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have axiom. You see, Chillinsides were ready. Maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. So close. Gunship! Oh, that's my thing. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here.
Oh shit.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
That was crazy. I was not expecting that. I'm gonna leave after that. Okay, we gotta talk about the Star Wars ride. The only ride we did at Disney today. Hollywood studio. We really tore it up. We did everything, or only one thing. We went on half the Star Wars rides.
Well, we wanted to go on the other one. They wouldn't let us on.
They wouldn't let us in. But it's okay. What we want to talk, I want to talk about this video because you're going to see a video of Michelle as a pilot. She's a gunner on the Millennium Falcon. I was somehow flying it a little bit. I don't know what the hell I was doing, but you're going to hear a lot of buttons getting whacked. You hear screams. That's this lunatic right here. That's Looney in the cockpit going bananas in there.
Why? I had stuff to blow up.
She had to blow stuff up. She was fighting, just
We're
pressing.
trying to save
I
the
looked
day.
over at one point. It was reaching all over the place. Buttons getting whacked. I don't know what she was doing. All of a sudden, she knew how to. No one really. There was no tutorial on how to shoot. I don't know why she decided to just start pressing random buttons. So we were all over the map.
No, the girl, when we first went in, she said the shooter uses the squares and the circles.
Ah, the circles and the squares.
So
So
I
that's
was
what you were
like, they
doing.
were lighting up. So I'm like, am I supposed to hit these?
You were hitting all the ones lighting up. Because you can build droids. They're like $165. You can build a droid. It's kind of cool. It's probably worth it. I wanted to do it. Michelle ran me out of there like a lunatic.
All right,
But
well, I don't think you need a $168 droid today.
that. I've seen a couple. They wear like this head thing. I think that's kind of cool too. Like I guess it's some kind of head. Like Luke wore it and he's hiding under it. And he's just like, I'm Luke Skywalker. Imagine me under there. You're like, we're going out to the beach. It's freezing. She's got me in the desert, or she's taking a beat. She doesn't even care. She's got me out here. Oh my God, I just ate something. Well, you're the one that drug us out here. Wow, who has circle footprints? Anyone ever see footprints like that before? She's got a hoofprints.
Okay, that hurt really bad.
That was scary. We took a beat down. We just took a beat
It was a
down.
mistake.
It was a sandblaster. We got sandblasted.
I'll tell you what, though, it was fun.
Well, our skin's gonna be a lot smoother.
Exfoliation.
We just gotta exfoliate it.